So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Windows 11 screen stuck with the keyboard shortcut here. If you have faced this problem of screen stucking, you can easily fix it using using a keyboard shortcut. That keyboard just resets your graphic driver, so your screen that has struck has been restarted. Now keyboard shortcut is press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B key on your keyboard, and once you do that, you'll listen to a sound, and your display might flicker for some seconds, and it will again restart it again. If you press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B, here you're gonna see display have been flickered, and your display drivers have been restarted, and issues have been solved. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.